Alright. I'm just walking out my mama's house. This my mama's house. Yeah. Just briefly. Just keep it brief. Cause I don't care too much about house and shit. So, yeah. You already know this be Energy Tone L, aka Nature King, BKA Nature Energy Being. Yeah. So it's a little neighborhood up here in this area. See the white car right there? Yeah, it ain't on the road, ain't been traveled nowhere. She should let me go ahead and borrow that. Yeah. She probably never seen the video, but I mentioned to her before. Right now, I'm headed towards the park. I mean, I just came from the park, but I forgot to bring my camera. Minute. I just want to get a little close to here. Wait, see the little birdies out there? Little birdies. Yeah. Yeah, they're relaxing. I don't mean to come disturb you, but I just want to get a view here. Hopefully the camera ain't shaking that much as I walk. If it do, hey, oh well, shit, I did my best. Plus, this ain't all about being perfect. There's no damn such thing as perfection. It really ain't though. But yeah, anywho, beautiful tree by itself. Yeah. Beautiful view, beautiful view. Yeah. Oh, the sun feels so good right now. Okay, now while I'm aiming towards this beautiful pond, I guess they would call it, or water, beautiful part of Earth. I'm gonna call it that. Yeah. Now, I'm aiming to go towards the beach after this. Yeah. Okay, let's get a little zoom in. Over there in the area right there, that's where I'm going next, all the way across there. Yeah. But I'm gonna pause it. Just go. We just go chill right here for a second. Let's see the sun. Ah, yeah. Yeah. That beautiful sun, see that beautiful sun. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna go in this area. You might find the camera aiming down because I ain't fully paying attention. You know, I'm still enjoying the view myself, so I ain't gonna put all my focus on this camera trying to capture the view. I know I cracked myself up, but I love me though. I love every inch, every centimeter of me, all through and out. Hey, little birdies. I see y'all having a beautiful day today. Yeah. It's cool. That's cool. What we got over there? A church? We got a church over there? Oh, man. Well, don't care nothing about that. They all need to be abolished, though. You ain't hear that, did you? Okay, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm finna pause this. Yeah. Okay, yeah. I forgot to put, on my comment, but it really don't damn matter. You watch the whole video, then you would know. But yeah, today is Sunday, October 23rd, 2016. Now, I know I might show it on the video too. And I don't know if I'm upload this today. I have to talk. I figure that out. Yeah, but yeah, pause. Okay. We're back again. Where we at now? We're entering the park. Oh, and must you know, this is the area on Earth. This is the area of what they call Port St. Lucie, Florida. Yeah. I'm just here at the moment. I'm just visiting at the moment. That major. Although I can stay in a while fucking please, but I just rather not be here. Okay, let's zoom in. Big old field. This is where me and my buddy was just at. That big old field up. Fuck the sign. You know what they talking about. Especially if it's their damn policies and all the other dumb shit. Right, yeah. Okay, so I'm not finna go all the way up. I'ma do the zoom right quick, cause I'm on another mission. So you see the little volleyball set there. Okay, the more I zoom out, the more it get shaky. So bear with me. Like I said, this ain't perfect, and I ain't aiming to be perfect. Right now you probably can see more better than I could. The sun in my face, so wait. Trying to find the playground area. I'm sure you probably see it up there somewhere. That ain't really what's important though. Right? Beautiful tree. That's what's important. I'm just exploring nature right now. Okay, and I got my camera on auto, so it might get bright, might get dark, it might do whatever the hell it do. It just go do what it do. So yeah. I was just looking in here a little earlier. You know me, I do my little tenting anyway, so I'd rather be in the tent than in the house in artificial damn air. I hate artificial air. Yeah. Feels so good out here right now. Oh, wait. Look like a passage through there. Y'all see that? Y'all see what I'm looking at? Yup. I might just go through him one day. Damn, I got my tent in another area. I didn't think I was gonna be down here that long. It's something about being out here in nature, baby. Fucking awesome. Let's zoom now. Talk. Eat well, alligators. I walk side by side with the alligators and the crocodiles. Yep. Keep my vibration hit risen high. Okay, now it's another beautiful area here. Another beautiful spot. Yeah, I know what you're thinking. You know, you would have went for a swim. Yeah, I know it's tempting. It is tempting. Yeah. Swim with the gators and the snakes and the fishes and stuff. Yeah, I used to always do it when I was younger. Well, younger in this physical form, so hey, there's nothing wrong with it. Just stop being scared your whole damn life. Damn, get out that TV. You won't be scared to get in here. You won't be scared to be out in nature. Because I'm saying this because, you know, I'm thinking about all the excuses everybody be making and stuff. Oh, I ain't gonna go out there. You got alligator, you got a snake, and you even got turtles. Y'all trip. Yeah. I don't really want to make this too long. I'm already on almost 14 minutes. And I'll probably been there talk the whole thing. And if I do, then what? That's what I do. You need to hear what I say anyway. Ain't nobody else go give it to you. I'ma give it to you. Real, raw, and nothing cut. You got the crowd. You got the park out here about to get crowded. All right, let's zoom in a little bit. Yeah. I just love looking out there. Just this is how the sun just glisten on top of the water. See right now how it's so calm. Yeah, you see little ripples and stuff, but it's so calm right now, and you hear all the sounds of nature. I mean, not that damn siren shit coming from that man-made police car, but I'm just saying like the sound from nature, like the birds, the crickets, and whatever the other side name all the animals. I mean, they gave the animals names anyways. You know, I'm simple. You know, flyers, ground walkers. I don't know. Whatever you want to call it. It's up to you. What? You see the glisten over there? Just beautiful. You know, you just look up at the clouds. Yeah, how calm that is out there. It's just how we should be. Calm and humble. I've been mad all the time, give yourself a fucking blood rush or pressure rush or anything like that. Worried about this, worried about it. Do that water look like it's worried about anything and anyone? No, it's not. I'm sure them fishes and that and a lot more sea creatures, sea animals, and ain't water animals in there that ain't worried about nothing. Prime example right here. Be calm, be humble. Besides, you can think more better when you do. You can't think about shit clearly when you're mad and all upset. Can you? You know I'm telling the truth, you know I'm right. I seen you, little birdie. Alright, so try not to stay in one spot at one time, but just like I said, you know, I'm enjoying nature as I go, Mama Earth as I go. So I ain't gonna be spending all this time, energy, you know, trying to get this right with the camera. That'd be great if I was seeing an alligator right now. Yeah, so tempting to go swimming. Get all back here. Like my brother a little bit. I know he ain't down here. Okay, so I'ma just zoom into this. Now that I zoom in this, I'm gonna take a break on it because, like I said, I don't wanna. If I make it to the beach, you would know. If I don't make it to the beach, you would know that too. Gotta be back here to get on the radio, baby. Yeah, I'm ready for that. But yeah. Look pretty great inside there too. I was walking over there earlier. I'll be finding all kind of spots. You know, no matter where I go, I want to find me a spot. You know, especially when I'm carrying my tent with me, because I don't want to stay with nobody house. No, don't offer me. Because the answer is no. I do not want to stay in nobody's house. I love being out here in nature. I love to connect with Mama Earth. So that's just me. feeling all this good old breeze. Inhaling all this good old breeze. Just let it go. See, y'all smoke me out. So I let all this good old breeze get in there. Yeah. You hear that? Yeah, that's how you do that though. Yeah. Alright, so enough of this for right now. Yeah. Alright, so